Good morning, Red Raiders. I'm Skylar.
And I'm Montre.
Welcome to the Raindrop News. We are here to keep you informed and updated on the latest school news and announcement.
Today is Wednesday, October 30th. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance to remain standing for our alma mater. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
As men of old have done their share to make Mobile today, the sons and grandsons of these men make up the red and gray. We follow their example and treasure their great fame. A noble man is honored here, our namesake, Ben C. Rain. As time go by, dear alma mater, this will be our aim, to live and strive to do our best to honor thy fair name. Please be seated.
Happy birthday to Demetria McCants and Timothy Wells. Please stop by the front office to receive your birthday treat. A spectacular trunk or treat is happening here on October 31st, 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. Everyone is welcome. We will have treats, activities, jumpers, train rides, face painting, games, food, and much more. Do not forget.
9th and 10th grade students donate a 2-liter soda. 11th and 12th grade students donate a box of Little Debbie cakes, so come out and join us. It's Red Ribbon Week. Lights, camera, action. Life's a movie. Film drug-free. Today is Hats Off to Drugs. Wear your favorite hat. Thursday is Drugs Are Scary. Wear your favorite costume. Congratulations to our Red Raider, Maya Crawford, for winning the AHSSA Female Athlete of the Week. That's all we have for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like us on YouTube at Red Raider News. And remember, it's a great day to be a Red Raider, where we strive for excellence together. See you next time, and remember, always be kind to